Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store for dropshipping. First, you'll want to pick a memorable name for your store and secure your domain. Next, choose a Shopify plan that fits your budget and business goals. Finally, navigate through the basic settings to configure your store's preferences and establish essential legal pages like your privacy policy and terms of service. These steps lay the groundwork for your online presence. Now, let's get your products in place and make your store look great. Identify trustworthy dropshipping suppliers and import the products you wish to sell directly into your Shopify store. Then, personalize your store's appearance by selecting and customizing a theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Group your products into logical collections to help customers easily browse and find what they are looking for. With products added, it's time to handle the practicalities of transactions. Set up your shipping zones and define clear shipping rates for different regions. Next, integrate secure payment gateways so your customers can make purchases smoothly and safely. Finally, explore the Shopify App Store to find and install useful applications that can extend your store's capabilities, from marketing tools to inventory management solutions. You're almost ready to go live. Before launching, thoroughly review all your store settings, product details, and legal pages to ensure everything is perfect. Once launched, begin implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and attract your first customers. Remember, the journey doesn't end there. Continuously monitor your store's performance, gather feedback, and make ongoing optimizations to foster growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.